Hey there! Welcome to our channel. If you're an artist or just getting into digital drawing, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 best drawing tablets on the market. Whether you're looking for a tablet that offers top-notch pressure sensitivity, vibrant color accuracy, or seamless connectivity, we've got you covered. We'll dive into each of these top picks, breaking down their features, pros, and cons to help you find the perfect match for your creative needs. Ready to elevate your art game? Stick around as we explore these amazing drawing tablets that could be your next great tool. So, check the link in the description below for more details. Number 5. Zenlabs Drawing Tablet Medium. Introducing the Zenlabs Drawing Tablet Medium in the striking Nebula White, designed to elevate your creative experience with its sleek and stylish appearance. This medium-sized drawing tablet combines aesthetics with functionality, making it perfect for artists who prefer a lighter workspace. The tablet features a special surface design that mimics the tactile sensation of pen on paper, thanks to its ultra-fine frosted texture that is both non-slip and wear-resistant. The 6.5 degrees gentle slope of the drawing surface enhances wrist comfort, allowing for prolonged drawing sessions without strain. The Zenlabs Drawing Tablet Medium comes equipped with 40 customizable quick keys, divided into 5 sets of 8 programmable functions per application. These keys, paired with an OLED display, ensure you have quick and intuitive access to your most used commands, streamlining your workflow. With up to 30 hours of sustainable working time when fully charged, the tablet supports extended use without frequent recharges. Included are 2 advanced digital pens, offering 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a pen resolution of 5080 LPI, ensuring exceptional precision and control. The pens are designed to provide a realistic pen-to-paper feel with minimal lag, enhancing your drawing accuracy. Each pen features different diameters and button configurations, accommodating various drawing techniques and effects. Compatibility is a strong suit for this tablet, as it supports Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. It integrates seamlessly with major software programs including Adobe Suite, Corel, Autodesk, and more. This broad compatibility allows for effortless integration into your existing creative setup, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking the best drawing tablet. Number 4. GAMAN PD1161 Drawing Tablet with Screen offers an exceptional platform for digital creativity and design. Boasting a full HD 11.6-inch IPS display, this drawing tablet provides vibrant and accurate color representation with a 72% NTSC, 100% sRGB, color gamut and 16.7 million colors. The pre-installed matte film reduces glare and reflections, making it feel like you're drawing on paper while protecting the screen. The tablet comes with the AP50 battery-free stylus, which delivers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt functionality for a highly responsive and natural drawing experience. This ensures fine control and precision, ideal for detailed artwork and illustration. The GAMAN PD1161 features 8 customizable shortcut keys and 2 programmable pen buttons, allowing you to streamline your workflow by assigning frequently used functions and shortcuts. Although it's not a standalone device, requiring a connection to a computer running Windows or Mac OS, its compatibility with a broad range of creative software like Krita, Metabang, Blender, Photoshop, and Sai, as well as online platforms for remote work and education such as OneNote, Microsoft Whiteboard, and Zoom, makes it a versatile tool for various applications. Included in the package are the GAMAN PD1161 drawing tablet, a battery-free stylus, a pen holder, 8 replacement nibs, a drawing glove, a 3-in-2 USB cable, an AC adapter, and a quick guide, ensuring you have all necessary accessories to start creating right out of the box. Whether you're a beginner artist, a seasoned designer, or someone looking to digitize notes and diagrams, the GAMAN PD1161 provides a reliable and feature-rich solution for all your creative needs. Number 3. Huion Inspire H1060p Graphics Drawing Tablet offers an exceptional drawing experience with its impressive features and specifications. Boasting a 10 by 6.25 inches working area, this tablet provides ample space for creating detailed and intricate artwork. Its slim 10mm profile and minimalist design make it both sleek and visually appealing. The tablet comes with the battery-free PW100 stylus, which means uninterrupted drawing without the hassle of charging. The stylus supports plus or minus 60 degrees tilt functionality, allowing artists to replicate various drawing gestures and achieve accurate line input. The Huion H1060P features 12 customizable programmable press keys and 16 programmable soft keys, offering users the flexibility to set shortcuts for essential functions like erase, zoom, and scroll. This customization greatly enhances workflow efficiency. It is compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows 7 or later, macOS 10.11 or later, Android 6.0 or later, and Linux, Ubuntu. The tablet also supports a variety of popular design and drawing software such as Photoshop, SAI, Illustrator, and CorelDRAW. The symmetrical design of the Huion H1060P ensures that it caters to both right-handed and left-handed users, providing a comfortable experience for everyone. For left-handed users, the tablet can be adjusted to 180 degrees in the driver settings. Although it is compatible with most devices via the OTG connector, it's worth noting that iPhone and iPad are currently not supported, and the cursor may not display on Samsung Galaxy S series devices. This drawing tablet is ideal for professional artists, beginners, and hobbyists alike, making it a standout choice for those seeking the best drawing tablet. Number 2. XPPEN Artist 13.3 Pro 8192 level graphic stylus tablet is a remarkable choice for digital artists and designers, offering a combination of advanced features and user-friendly design. The tablet's 13.3-inch fully laminated screen provides an impressive, glare-free viewing experience, blending the glass and screen layers to eliminate parallax and ensure precision in every stroke. This integration enhances the accuracy of your digital drawings, allowing you to work with confidence. The tablet's tilt functionality, supporting up to 60 degrees, enables you to add shading and texture to your artwork effortlessly, creating smooth and natural transitions without needing constant software adjustments. With a high color gamut of 88% NTSC, Adobe RGB greater than over equal to 91%, sRGB greater than over equal to 123%, the Artist 13.3 Pro delivers vibrant and accurate colors, ensuring that your creative visions are represented with exceptional clarity and detail. The tablet's 178-degree wide viewing angle ensures that colors remain consistent and true to life from any perspective. For improved efficiency, the Artist 13.3 Pro features a sleek red dial interface alongside 8 fully customizable shortcut keys. These allow for faster access to your most used tools and commands, making your workflow more efficient and intuitive. The XPPEN Artist 13.3 Pro is highly versatile, supporting both Windows 10/8/7 and macOS X 10.10 or higher, and is compatible with a wide array of creative software including Photoshop, Illustrator, SAI, CDR, GIMP, Krita, Metabang, Fire Alpaca, and Blender 3D. Additionally, by registering the tablet on the XPPEN website, you can access ArtRage 5, OpenCanvas, and Cartoon Animator 4 pipeline drawing programs, further expanding your creative toolkit and enhancing your digital art experience. Number 1. Simban's Picasso Tab X drawing tablet is a versatile and budget-friendly option perfect for aspiring digital artists and note-takers. Featuring a 10-inch IPS HD screen, this tablet delivers crystal-clear images and vibrant colors, making it ideal for detailed drawing and animation work. The Picasso Tab X comes equipped with a responsive active stylus pen and a powerful MediaTek quad-core processor, ensuring smooth performance even with demanding tasks. With 64 GB of internal storage, you can easily download thousands of apps from the Google Play Store, enhancing your creative possibilities and productivity. One of the standout features of this tablet is its standalone capability. No computer is needed to use it. It includes pre-installed drawing and animation apps, making it a perfect choice for those new to digital art. The tablet also comes with 4 bonus items: a high-quality tablet case, a drawing glove, a universal power adapter, and a pre-installed screen protector, adding a total value of $50 to the package. This makes it a great value for money. For connectivity, the Picasso Tab X offers various options. You can connect to your home Wi-Fi network to stay connected and access online content. It also features a micro HDMI port for linking the tablet to a TV, allowing you to enjoy movies on a larger screen. The inclusion of GPS and a USB Type-C port ensures comprehensive connectivity for all your needs. Certified by GMS, FCC, and CE standards, the Picasso Tab X guarantees safety and quality. Additionally, it comes with a 1-year warranty and excellent customer support, providing peace of mind with your purchase. Whether you're looking for the best drawing tablet or a versatile tool for various creative and everyday tasks, the Simban's Picasso Tab X is a top choice. In conclusion, choosing the best drawing tablet depends on your personal needs, whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or a professional artist. We've covered some top options, each with unique features to elevate your creative experience. From budget-friendly models to high-performance tablets, there's something for everyone. So, take your pick and let your creativity flow. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or questions. And be sure to share this video for more updates on the best drawing tools and tech. Stay tuned for more exciting content.